Samsung Neo QLED QN1EF 4K Vision AI Mini LED Smart TV Review. Is this the best 4K TV right now? Looking for a premium 4K TV that combines mini LED technology, smart features, and smooth gaming performance? The Samsung QN1EF is definitely worth a closer look. But is it actually the best 4K TV right now? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The QN1EF is Samsung's 2025 Neo QLED 4K TV. Using an NQ4 AI Gen 2 processor, quantum mini LED technology, and AI-powered 4K upscaling. It supports HDR10+, Filmmaker mode, and Samsung's Color Booster Pro, while Motion Accelerator can reach up to 144 Hz on supported models. For gamers, there's VRR, FreeSync Premium, ALLM, and Samsung Gaming Hub, making this a strong option for fast-paced console and PC gaming. The Air Slim design also gives the TV a sleek, modern look, while Tizen provides Samsung's smart TV experience. However, there are some compromises. The built-in audio is only a 20-watt, 2-channel system, so a soundbar is worth considering if you want more powerful, cinematic sound. Also, specifications such as refresh rate can vary by screen size and region, so check your exact model before buying. Overall, the QN1EF makes the most sense for buyers who want mini LED picture technology, strong AI processing, high refresh rate gaming, and Samsung's smart features in a slim design. But calling it the absolute best 4K TV depends on your budget and priorities. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. If this review helped, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments.